Okay, I'm back. Hopefully it's gonna work. So I have my cinch, and now I have to cut the calendar. But I need to cut the calendar with this space here. Let me move this to this side so that I can show you. With that space there, because if I cut it this way, it's gonna be too much space here. So I need to put the holes like that, as you can see. So it's six of the thing, 6 of the little cutting thing. I don't know what they're called, so I call everything thing when I don't know the name. So I cut this at 3 inches because that's what's here. See? And so I'm going to cut the holes like that so that when it comes here, when I bind it, it's flushed to the wall there, as you can see. It's not over here like that with a space. I hope that makes sense. So, and in order to do that, this has to be center, because here is a word center. So that's where I'm going to center this right there in that line right there. So I think I'm gonna do it all in one shot so that I don't have to worry. So let me put a little clippy thing there, all in one shot, so that I don't. And that's the center. And let me just make sure if that's the center right there. Let me make sure. It's always good. Okay. Let me just cut another paper, 3-inch paper, because I want to make sure. Is this 3? Again, 3.5. It's 3.5. So 3.5. I'm gonna put this right here where it says center. I'm gonna squish it down. This, where is the center right there. Hopefully it worked. Okay, so let me see. Perfect. See? Perfect. Perfect. So now get the little cinch. These things. So, I only have silver. Let me see if I have another color. I have black. And I think black will do. So I have this one. This one is 1.6 cm. So now I have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I need to cut a 12 here. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have to cut it right there. I'm going to use my cutters that I bought. Yep. And then hopefully you can see I put this right here. Put this right there. Put this right there. Take it out. And then put it in here. And then we'll squish. There goes our calendar. So let me close this up. I'll take it out of the way. Let me tell you, this tutorial was very hard to do. So as you can see, look how pretty. January. And I like that it has a little space down here, because this one I did it too long. So, and now we're gonna decorate. So for that, I had these little envelopes in my stash. You can see how I made them in a few earlier video that I did. And then I made this little booklet. And I put copy paper. I glued it in the side, and then I put the paper from Maggie Holmes. And I folded it in to bind it. And it made a little booklet. So that booklet, it says look inside in the envelope. I'm going to put that there like that. Put that there. And then I think I'm going to use one of my pen clips that I bought. Where did I put it at? And I called this earlier in the month, or the year. So I'm going to put that in here like that. So that they could put a pen there. And then this will go here so that they could write down whatever. And then I'm going to decorate here. And I think that'll be it. So hopefully you like my little tutorial. So now it's to decorate. So I'm only going to glue up to there. I don't want the flap glued because they could put things underneath it. There is my little bone folder for this. pen could go right there. Like that. Could go like that. Okay, let me take this out. Finish decorating that. I'm going to use my little flowers that I picked up in Hobby Lobby. And I think I'm going to decorate that. Let me see what else I have to decorate really quick. I like this little ticket. Go there. Put this cup like that. Yeah. Yes, indeed I will. What else should I put? Like this one. Tape. Button. Some flowers. Is there another color? Oh. Gonna put a heart there. And a little button there. And then for a little book, I think I'm gonna put feeling grateful. I guess that's that. I hope you liked the tutorial. Let me know if you need any more instruction, and hopefully you'll be able to make one yourself, and I would love to see pictures if you do. And what else? Again, I did download these from Etsy, and her website is Pineberry Planner, and it's Pineberry, Pineberry Planner. So I think I'm gonna give this to someone. So let me know what you think. Yeah. So that is the tutorial of making your own little calendar stand. So hopefully, I wonder if this could go like that. Yep, it could go like that, and the pen could go like that. Cool. So that is it. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you need any more instructions, just leave it down below in the comments, and I will try to make another video showing that what you need. Okay, as always, please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out in future videos like this, and give it a thumbs up because it does help my channel like I mentioned before. And take care, and